The Degree women's deodorant and the men's Degree deodorant are $4.97. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons that we got from our 314 Unilever, so you guys want to use both of those. You guys would end up paying $5.94 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit your receipt to SHOPKICK and you guys will get 400 points for purchasing the products, and you get 25 points each for scanning the products, and then you get 450 points for buying them together. So you guys will end up getting 900 points total. Comes out to be $3.60 with SHOPKICK. So your grand total would be $2.34 or just $1.17 a piece. The Old Spice Sea Spray is $5.47. We currently have 2 different rebates on Ibotta for $2. And then you guys will get 20 points for scanning and 400 kicks for purchasing the product, which comes out to be $1.68 plus the $4 you'll get from Ibotta, making it $5.68 for a moneymaker. The Ivory body wash is $3.97. We currently have a SHOPKICK deal for 200 points for scanning it and 400 points for buying it, so that'd be $1.68. But then there's a bonus with that Old Spice deal where you get a 300 points for buying it, which is $1.20. So your guys' grand total for just the Ivory, I'll have to do the math for both of them, would be $2.88. Take away $3.97 would be $1.09, if I did the math right, for you guys to pay for that. The Shea Moisture body wash is currently $7.97. There is a 5 off of 2 coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $10.94, but there is a deal with SHOPKICK where you get 530 points for scanning and purchasing the products, and then an 800 kick bonus. So altogether you guys would get $7.44 back with SHOPKICK. And then there is a $2 Ibotta rebate times 2, so you guys would end up getting this for a 50-cent moneymaker. The Skitimate razor is $7.97. We have a $4 off coupon that is from the 228 Smart Source, so you guys would pay $3.97, but then you'll get a $3 rebate with Ibotta, just making it 97 cents. The Degree body wash is $5.47. Now when you guys do check Ibotta, make sure some men's are available and some women's are not. But the body wash is $5.47, and then the bars of soap are $4.97. I am using a $2 off printable coupon from coupons.com for the Degree, making it $3.47. And then I am using a $1.50 coupon for this, making it $3.47. Now these coupons are available on coupons.com. Then what you guys are going to do is you'll get a $1.50 rebate for the bars with Ibotta, and you'll get $2 rebate with the Degree. Then you guys will get, since I used this deal last week, I don't get as much points, but I get 100 points for buying it and 30 points for scanning it. That is 52 cents. And then there is a bonus where I get additional 500 points. That's $2 for buying both products. It ends up becoming, both items just become to be 40 cents. The Dollar Shave Club is $9.97, $7.97, and $6.97. With Ibotta, you can do all 3 deals. With SHOPKICK, you have to do a razor and a shave, and then with Fetch Rewards, you have to do a razor and a refill. So all 3 you guys are gonna buy them and pay $24.91. There is a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta. There is a $2 rebate with the razor refill, and there is a $1.50 rebate for the shave cream. So, and then there is, when you guys scan the product for SHOPKICK, you'll get 520 points. It's $2.08 for that, and $2.08 for that. And then you get 900 points additionally. If you buy both of those, that's additional $3.60. Then you guys will get $3.50 back with Fetch Rewards. So your grand total would be $7.65 for all 3 of them. Comes out to be, I think, $2.44 a piece. The Schick razor is $8.97. We have a $4 off coupon in the 228 Smart Source. You guys would pay $4.97, but there is a $4 rebate that you guys can use with Ibotta, just making it 97 cents. The Tresemme Smooth is $4.94. We have a $1.50 coupon that we got from the 314 Unilever. You guys would end up paying $3.44, but then you guys will get 920 points for purchasing and scanning the product with SHOPKICK, which comes out to be $3.68, so this comes out to be a 24-cent moneymaker. The Dukalax is $4.97. We have a $3 off coupon plus a $1 off rebate with Ibotta, so you guys would end up paying $1.98, get a $1 rebate, comes out to be just 98 cents. The Vino Soft Scrub is $5.34. We have a $2 off printable coupon that you guys want to use. You would pay $3.34, but then there is a $1.50 rebate with the Ibotta app, making your final price just $1.84. The Nivea lotion is $5.48. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You want to use the $4.50 off a 2 coupon from the... I'm not sure, I'll put it in the breakdowns, but you guys would end up paying $6.46 for both of them. But then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta times 2, comes out to be just $2.46 for the both of them. The Kill Cliff is $2.78. There is the Energize one, and then there is a Recover. There are 2 different rebates, so one for one and one for the other. So these would just come out to be just 78 cents after rebate. The Ritz crackers are $2.93, and the regular Ritz crackers are $2.62. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $5.55, but then there is a $2.98 rebate off of 2 that you guys have to buy 1 of each, and it comes out to be just $2.57 or $1.28 a piece. The Nabisco crackers are $2.18. You would pay $2.18, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.18. This multi-meal cereal is $3.34. You want to buy 2 of them. You would pay $6.68. But then with a SHOPKICK, you get 610 points for scanning and purchasing the products. You can actually buy the same cereal for both of these deals. And then you guys will get a $500 bonus, which is $2 in points. So it comes out to be $688 total that you'll get back with SHOPKICK, where it comes out to be a 20-cent moneymaker. The Velveeta cheese is $2.73. You would pay that price, but then there is a $1.25 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.48. The Annie's macaroni and cheese is $1. We currently have a 50-cent off a 2 coupon that you guys want to use. You would end up paying $2.50, but then there is a 20-cent rebate with Ibotta, and if you buy 3, you'll get a $1 bonus. So it ends up becoming just 90 cents or 30 cents for each one. Here is my haul, you guys. Let me know if you like this kind of way, or if you want me to go my old way. But just want to give you guys a heads up. So this is everything that I got inside the video. My total came to $107.53 for all these items. But after Ibotta, SHOPKICK, and Fetch Rewards, I also saved almost $50 in coupons. But after SHOPKICK, Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, I got $40.93. There is a $10 rebate, but I have to get 40 rebates to get it, and I got 20. So $40.93 from Ibotta. I got 8,355 points from SHOPKICK, which is $33.42. With Fetch Rewards, I got 38,047, which is $3.84, and then I got a $1 bonus for buying 3 of the Annies on Ibotta. So my grand total came to $28.34. I got 29 items at just 97 cents a piece. So if you guys are looking at doing a deal, definitely recommend doing the Shea Moisture deal. That's a really good moneymaker deal. The multi-meal is a moneymaker deal, and then well, if you guys haven't done the degree deal, that's still a decent deal, but I like the Dollar Shave Club deal. But pretty excited. Thanks for watching. The printable breakdowns are going to be in the information below. You guys can definitely print it out and check it out yourself. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.